That's why you got to start to understand how the credit game works so you can be able to leverage it to get credit more in your favor. That's why you got to understand how life insurance works, because that's the way that a lot of rich people store and save money for taxes and be able to leverage and be able to pass money on to the next generation. A lot of things that we do not do because we are uneducated. So now we're peeling off layers of the onion here, layers of the onion there, so you can get the right information. So when you understand what's going on, you'll know what to do with your money. And that's going to lead into right what I'm talking about on April 19th and the 20th, where we're going to leverage how to use money and how that you could be in a position to protect more of your money, save more of your money, grow more of your money, pay less taxes on your money, and then pass it on to the next generation, and then be able to enjoy the money while you're still living and doing it. And this all comes down to having the right strategy and having the right financial education. And that's what we're going to be doing April 19th and 20th.